Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss some of the interview questions, like what is the difference between def keyword and the lambda function, like def function and lambda function, and what is the difference between the package and the module, and also what is the use of an import keyword and what does it mean, and what is the use of this module and package we are going to discuss. First question is, what is the difference between a def function and the lambda function? So normally we can declare the function in two ways, like one is def function and another one is lambda function. In case of def function, we will define using the def keyword. Using the def keyword, we will define this function. In case of lambda function, we will define using the lambda keyword. So with the help of lambda keyword, we will define this lambda function. With the help of this def keyword, we will define this def function. So in case of def function, which is a normal function, it requires a name, it requires a function name. But in case of lambda function, there is no need of defining the name. A function without the name is nothing but a lambda function. It is also known as an anonymous function, which means a function without name. And in case of def function, can have multiple expressions and statements. It can have multiple expressions, multiple statements, multiple lines. But in case of lambda function, it can have only one single statement. So in case of def function, it is more readable, which means it will be clear and clarity manner, because we will write multiple lines and multiple expressions and multiple statements, right? So it will be more clear and understandable manner. And in case of lambda function, it is less readable, because within one line only we have to write everything. In case of if else, like if else if, like that, if we want to write means we have to write within one line, so it will be less readable format, it will be not understandable manner. And in case of def function, it is reusable, which means we can reuse the function multiple times, but it is use and throw. This lambda function is use and throw, because only one time we can use it, and then other reusability was not there in case of lambda function. And a def function is suitable for complex function, and this is suitable for best for simple and one liner function, and most commonly a small program it was suitable for lambda function, and a big large complex problems is suitable for def function. So maybe you have understood, I think so. And the next thing is, what is the difference between a package and a module? A module is nothing but a single Python file, a single file which contains like collections, functions, classes, variables, and it is a single Python file which contains collections of functions, global variables, and classes, and with having a .py extension file. It is having just one single Python file, whereas in case of package, it is a collection of modules. Nothing but a group of modules is nothing but known as a package. A module examples was math module, func tools module, like that, so on. It contains some collection of functions and classes, whereas package is nothing but it is a simple directory having collections of modules. The package also contains sub packages inside it. This package contains some sub packages inside it, example numpy and pandas. In a simple way, module is nothing but a collection of classes, functions, and global variables, example math and func tools. And in case of package, it is nothing but a group of or collection of modules, example numpy, pandas, etc. So next one is, what is the use of this package and module? It improves code reusability. We can reuse the code without writing whole function. We can just write the simple logic, organization, and maintainability. We can easily maintain it, we can easily read it in large programs. So it helps to just import the pack. It means no need to write of the whole code. We can write just the main logic. We can write means it's enough. So that's why we will import these packages and we will use the code which is written inside it. And what is the usements like this improves readability and maintainability and reusability and organization. And what is the use of this import keyword? See, this module and package are there in some, we have defined it, so we have to include those packages. So in order to include those packages in our program, we will use this import keyword. So it is used to bring code from another module or package into our program, so we can reuse it. We can reuse the code in our program by using this import keyword. So the note C, the import keyword is used to access functions, classes and variables from another module or another package, so that we can import those code and then we can reuse it in our thing. So thank you so much. Hope you have understood the concept. See you guys in our next video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.